But again, I do not have a lot to share on XRP. Again, all my altcoins are going to follow a similar pattern as to Bitcoin. I'm expecting a sweep of the range lows, and in like a worst case scenario, come down here, sweep these lows, which is 0.49, and so somewhere around the 0.50 line. And for a confirmation, I wanted to produce a decisive close above this demand zone's upper limit, which is 0.568. Right. So if that happens, I would be a little optimistic and then have place a tight stop loss and then go long, which basically targets either 0.62 or 0.64, which is the midpoint of the trading range of this trading range. This is what I'm looking at from a very short-term perspective. I am not overly optimistic for XRP. So yeah, but if Bitcoin goes lower, I'm looking at 0.41 to be like a local bottom. And I think this is derived from the swing lows over here. Yeah, so basically these swing lows. This whole area is a consolidation. I think we're gonna have a lot of consolidation here. Right, so this is what I have for XRP.
So it looks like, well, today we undercut the June 22nd low, right? And now we're rebounding from there. At least I have it, we undercut. And that corresponds closely with the 78.6% retracement from the December low to the April high, which comes in at spot 555. So, you know, today in some respects is an inflection point for XRP, depending on how it closes. If we close at or near or below the
Shannon, you're not sharing your screen.
I was gonna speak.
Cool.
But I'll share it now. No, what I was saying is that I think today is an inflection point, and if we close at or below the June 22nd low, which is at spot 60, you know, we'll probably see lower prices. I don't see us getting so far down. In fact, I think the major area of support will be the 200-week simple moving average, which comes in at spot 457, which is about, give or take, 13% below the current price. That's a maximum downside I would see for this. I don't see any more than that, which still at the same time is probably an 80% decline or close to it. So I mean, in terms of my experience, that's a pretty significant decline that usually causes panic and people running for shelters. But and also just of note is we have a death cross here that triggered just over the last couple of days, which also adds some downward pressure. It doesn't mean that, doesn't signal that we're going to all of a sudden collapse from here, but it does present some overhead pressure for XRP here in the short term. But not much more to really add for that, other than the fact that, you know, finally it's doing something of note after doing basically sideways price action for a month almost. So today is an inflection point for it.